getting very light. Very light. We're getting to the end, which is kind of sad.
I know. It's been fun. It's been something we've looked forward to doing each day. So.
And like
we've been surprised along the way too. So
trying different varietals of like I don't know. Who says no to drinking wine every day? I don't know. Sorry, I'm doing your job here.
It's okay.
So, day 18.
Yeah, day 18. What do we think it's gonna be?
I think it's gonna be red again. Maybe here's a crazy prediction. The rest of the box is red. That's my prediction. The rest of the box is red. Oh, maybe not.
I think there's a champagne in there somewhere.
You think so? Maybe the last day champagne?
I think the last day?
Maybe. Like, hey, congratulations. Here's a celebratory champagne.
I think today's going to be a sparkling of some sort.
Really?
Maybe a cava.
Oh, we've never...
That's from what?
I don't know.
Spain?
Maybe. I've never had a cava before.
I think typically that's from Spain.
I'm still sticking with my red from Washington.
I'm going to go for sparkling.
Okay.
Sparkling.
Well,
of some type.
Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Oh, well. That wasn't together, but...
Was it?
No, that was fine. Stop. It's fine. 18. I'll help you out.
Oh, he wants to
I want to open it for once. It's a champagne.
Is it?
No.
Oh. It's a Pinot Grigio.
Oh.
From Italy. Okay. I saw the DOC label.
Oh, wow. That's actually interesting to have. That's the first one that we've seen like that, right? Wrapped with the DOCG. All right.
Ooh, I'm excited about that.
This is Aralena Pinot Grigio from Italy. Yeah. Wow. Okay.
We love an Italian Pinot Grigio. Who doesn't like Santa Margherita?
Right.
So.
Do you have the wine key, or do I have the wine key?
Here.
So we'll get this opened up.
Yes.
And I'm glad we didn't blindfold ourselves for this one.
Yeah.
If you guys thought that was a cool thing, let us know.
We'll do it again.
If you think it's fun, we'll do it again.
Yeah.
I thought it was pretty cool, but I'll open this up and then we'll get started.
I already know I'm going to like it.
All right. Aralena.
01/19/2025.
01/19/2025?
So, January 19th, 2025?
Yes, ma'am. Here, we're going to pour some. Okay. Aralena.
I would, if I was blindfolded, I might have said this is a Sauvignon Blanc.
Really?
Right?
No.
No?
No.
It smells like a Pinot Grigio.
It does smell like a
Smells
Pinot
like
Grigio.
a Pinot Grigio.
It does smell like a Pinot Grigio. I do feel like maybe there is a little undertone of citrus in there, but it's like the classic.
Doesn't smell like Santa Margherita though to me.
No.
Doesn't smell as dry. It smells more acidic.
I was gonna say it smells a little more acidy, but I get that like pop like immediately like apple or pear or something like as soon as I put my nose in the bath. Yeah, I do. Maybe your sniffer's broke. Here we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah. Tangy.
It's acidic.
Yeah. But not like Sauvignon Blanc acidity. I don't think it's as nearly as abrasive as that. I think this is definitely like lemon, like very crisp lemon, apple lemon, pear lemon.
Like a Granny Smith apple.
Yeah, it's like tart, like a green apple. Yeah. It's clean.
Good.
But it's not like overly tart. Just like kind of really balanced. This is a decent wine here.
A decent wine.
A decent
I like
wine.
it. It's really good. It's clean. It's crisp. Refreshing.
Yes. This Pinot Grigio comes from Delle Venice, DOC in Italy. Presents an expressive and fresh nose, a vibrant notes of fresh fruit complemented by delicate hints of white flowers. Don't know what white flowers smell and or taste like. On the palate, it is well balanced and refreshing, offering flavors of yellow fruit, intertwined with floral undertones. This wine concludes with a crisp, invigorating finish.
I don't taste floral.
Yeah, I don't really agree with that. No floral in here for me.
Taste acidity.
It tastes like the.
Maybe it's what we ate before, but I don't know. Like changing our palate, but I like it. It's
And
good.
again, I wouldn't know what a white flower tastes like, but there's no floral undertones to me at all. It is crisp. It is probably, I would say, yellow fruit, or like even like you said, the Granny Smith apple.
Mhm.
That's it.
I like it. It's good. All right, so originally introduced to northern Italy from Burgundy, Pinot Grigio found its ideal home in the regions of Veneto, Friuli, Venezia, Giulia, and Trentino. In 2016, the Del Venezia? How do you say that? DOC was established to regulate and enhance the production of Pinot Grigios in these areas. The new designation replaced the previous IGT classifications, ensuring sticker quality standards and traceability from vineyard to bottle. The Del Venezia DOC now represents one of Italy's largest wine appellations, producing wines known for their fresh, tangy, and easy drinking profile. The region's commitment to sustainability, viticulture, and modern winemaking techniques continue to elevate the reputation of Del Venezia Pinot Grigio on the global stage.
What is it? Veneto is where it comes from? Veneto.
Regions of Veneto.
Yeah, so fun
Veneto?
fact. I
Veneto?
think it's Veneto. Or maybe Veneto.
Veneto?
Either way.
Okay.
Fun fact, my grandfather's from there.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The mountains, northern mountainous region of Italy. So
Pasta with light sauces, chicken dishes, vegetable dishes, cheese plates, salads. Yeah, this is good. This is a summer wine. Just like to drink a whole bottle.
I was gonna say drink anything with
Anytime,
anything.
any day,
Yeah.
any time of the day.
Let's rate it.
I don't know. You know, when I think about this wine, I think about Santa Margherita. I feel like it's such a well-known Pinot Grigio from Italy, and everyone likes Santa Margherita.
Right.
I'm trying to think of like why they like Santa Margherita
Probably.
over this wine. This feels more acidic to me than
Right.
Santa Margherita.
That's maybe a little drier.
Drier and more crisp, I
Uh-huh.
feel like. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a.
Give it a 0.5 somewhere.
You looked at mine.
No, I didn't. I just heard the 0.5. I don't know what it is.
Okay.
I feel like we're always like
Pretty
a
close.
little lower than you on a white, and
Yeah, that's true.
so I
We
rated
like
it.
the last one a lot.
Yeah.
Like the red from
Yeah.
yesterday.
So I gave it a 7. I think it's good. I really like this. I think I agree with you though.
Mm-hmm.
With my Pinot Grigio, I do prefer it a little more dry
Drier.
and a little more crisp. Even though this isn't bad with like the tanginess of it, I think I could drink a lot more if it was like more crisp.
More clean, yeah.
Yeah, I mean this
We'll
is
see
still
if it
clean though.
changes.
Crispness might come in the refrigerator,
fridge.
but so we'll put this in the refrigerator. We will report back again tomorrow on what we think as cold. But yeah, thank you for making it to day 18 with us. I know, it's a lot, so thank you for your dedication to this.
Yeah.
So
We've had a lot of fun. I mean, you feel like you get to try all these different wines. I mean,
Yeah.
we wouldn't have typically went to a store and bought a Carmenère from yesterday. So we wouldn't even know, oh, we like this varietal, we don't like this varietal. So to kind of like have a little bottle that you can taste a little bit of, and then if you really love that varietal or that region or whatever, then you know what to go look for in the
Right.
store when you're looking for that wine again.
Right.
With
Yeah.
similar flavors. So
yeah, and
I think it's a good experimental box.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Certainly. So
Cool.
see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.